Fashion Angels. I'm so excited to try it out. It's super simple and easy to do it. So let's get started. So here's what it looks like. I have the kitty cat right here, and it comes with like a black powder to like put on your face and get the whiskers and the nose, and I've got glitter in this too. So let's get it open and I'll try it out. I got it open, and so let's just get started. Oh yeah, and of course it comes with instructions to like how to do it. You can just do the whiskers to like, you can use the instructions to like how to do the whiskers and the nose, but if you just want to do like anything else yourself, you can. So let's just get started. So it says you're gonna need the applicator. So here's the applicator. And then there's also this. It's like the black powder. So I'm gonna put that on for the whiskers. Now I'm gonna use like the edge of the brush and start from here. Now I need more on there because like it barely showed up. Okay, that's a lot. There, perfect. And then I'm gonna get more like that. And then more on the brush. That. So I got that first side. Now I'm a little nervous for this side because I'm not good at this side. Okay. Oh, I don't want to use my left hand, but I have to. I'm a right hand. Okay. Okay, not too shabby actually. That was actually pretty good, bro. So I'm about to do the last one. There. I have makeup wipes on my table so I can. There. This looks great. I'm gonna do the nose now. So I'm just gonna do circle because I can't do anything fancy. There we go. I got my nosies. Okay, so now that I have the nose, I'm gonna need my face primer now. So I'm gonna just squeeze a little bit of this in my hand. So now I'm gonna rub it in my hand like this. Okay, now I'm gonna apply it. I think I'm gonna apply it on like the outside, like here. And now I'm gonna get this glitter. Ta-da! I got the glitter. I think I'm gonna like do like a drop there. So I also have more on my fingers, so I'm just gonna rub that in. Oh, the glitter's getting on it. That's okay. Glitter's gonna be there anyway, so. Ooh. Ta-da! I need to add more glitter to this side. You can't go wrong with glitter. Ta-da! I got that. Let's put more. Yes. Perfect! So I got the jewels open. There they are. I'm gonna just like kind of like put them like on the tips of the whiskers because that's cute. Okay. There's one whisker jewel. Here's the second whisker. Okay, done. So now I got like jewels there, and now I'm gonna do this whisker side. A whisker there, here. Okay, now I think I'm gonna do one jewel like in the center here. Duh. And now I'm gonna put on a little bit of lipstick because you can always just find your own lipstick, and that's what I did. So I'm gonna put this on. You can do whatever color you want. I'm using pink, but you can use like purple or blue or green. You can use any color. So I'm done with that. And the finishing touch are the ears. Let me put them on, and voila! Thank you so this Insta costume makeup kit. This was so much fun and easy to do. Bye!